Hello YouTube, I'm Andrew Does Hair. You can find my work on Instagram at Andrew Does Hair. And if you were to do so and go check out my work, you would see that the hair that Andrew does is not necessarily Andrew's own hair. I do not typically make content about my hair because my hair is not great. But I had an idea that I've wanted to do for a long time now, where I wanted to essentially follow the process from one shampoo to the next shampoo and show what could go into keeping hair as styled as possible, as often as possible, for as long as possible. My original idea was to find an attractive person who you might prefer to look at and just follow them through their day-to-day and give them pointers on how to keep their hair up, but that's not really practical, especially right now with like the COVID lockdowns and everything. I don't really want to follow somebody with a camera. So I ended up following myself. Let me give you a little backstory about my hair real quick before you go watch this. This is not going to be one of those videos where I'm like, hey, I'm really good looking and I have great hair. Don't you want to be like me? Because I'm just not that guy. I can't even be that guy. I don't have the genetics for it. But you might be in a place where I am. I got a haircut 6 months ago, 8 months ago, a long time ago. It was very, very short. It was like that long all the way around. And then about 2 months ago, maybe even 3 months ago, after it had grown out quite a bit, I had somebody just trim the back because I was kind of getting a mullet. And at this point, I'm kind of trying to grow my hair out just because COVID gave me the opportunity to get started doing that. But essentially, I don't have a haircut right now. I have a grown out remnants of what was a haircut at one point that was trimmed at one point. And so if you're watching this and you're in my boat, and the past couple weeks with all the clients I've been seeing, 9 out of 10 of them are in my boat where their hair is just kind of grown out and it's doing new things that they didn't know what to do with it before. This video might be helpful for you. Furthermore, I am receding and it's paining me more and more these days. I'm probably not going to do anything about it except I'm growing my hair out one last time, just to one last hurrah, and then I'll just be buzzed head guy for the rest of my life. So as you watch this video, don't make fun of my hairline. You're not clever. I'm being very vulnerable and putting it right out there. But what I hope it can maybe do is, anybody else out there who has a receding hairline who might have given up the way that I wanted to give up, maybe it'll also inspire you to see what else you can do with your hair. This is in no way me saying, hey, my current haircut and what I'm doing in this video is ideal for receding hair, because it's not. I don't have a haircut right now. So this is unideal haircut with an unideal hairline. And what I did to try to keep my hair as styled as possible for as long as possible. Now, the third thing I want to mention here is I don't usually style my hair. If I'm going to an event or a wedding or any day that I'm taking clients, I'll do something to style my hair, but most days I look like this. And I really challenged myself through this thing to wake up every day, and even before going and doing nothing, essentially, I just wanted to style my hair just to show what I would do if I did care. And I hope that it gives you guys some pointers and some tips if you want to care more about your hair. So without further ado, here's the documentation of my few days from one shampoo to another and how I kept my hair as styled as possible for as long as possible.